I mean, this hawk here got my legs and my arms hurting. I'm leaning out the window. On them wings. There you go. That's what I've been waiting on. Oh, look how he squirted that shit out of his ass. You see that? He lifted his wings up and squirted shit out of his ass. You see that? Did you see that, world? Did you see that? Did you see that? Did you see that? Yeah, you can hear me, can't you? You're watching me. Spread them wings again for me. Spread the wings again. Spread the wings. Spread the wings. Get ready to take off. You're ready to launch. Come on, take off, take off, take off, take off. There it is. There it is. Here it is. Where you at? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you hiding? I can't even. There you are, right there. He's right there. See it? He's coming in now. He's ready to kill. He's gone. Oh, he's gone now. WWWOT on side time. Live. Otis Lee, Red Tablecloth.